Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I am going to walk you through how to see your friends' activity on Instagram. So let's get started right away. So, when you're in the home feed over here and click on the heart button on the top here, back in the day, beside activity, it also had a section for your followers' activity, and now in recent updates, they literally removed it as a feature. Users can no longer see their followers' activity, but you can still obviously see who is making comments on your posts and who followed you and whatnot. You could see some tutorials that suggest downloading a shady unknown program and then logging in to see someone's activity, but most likely that will just steal your password and your whole account, which is very dodgy. One of the ways you could view someone's activity is by looking at the bottom of this post, where you'll see liked by Buzzy, who is someone I also follow. So users could see some activity in posts. If you scroll down, you can see that it was liked by, and those are instances where you could just see what these other individuals have been doing and engaging with. Unfortunately, you don't have access to such a list anymore. There really is no follower activity list anymore. Instagram removed that feature quite some time ago, so you can't stalk your peers to see what they're doing anymore, and it is what it is. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and please like this video. Thank you so much for watching.